All right, so welcome back to White House Farm. What we're going over today is vinyl protectant, and this is added UV protection. So it doesn't just clean it, it also protects your vinyl and also leathers and all types of other rubber. Let's see, we got here plastic, protects it all from the sun and from other stuff. So it also takes up a little bit of loose grime and stuff like that. We got these brand new boat seats that we put in last year, and we want to keep them looking good and protect them as long as possible. I'm sure you saw my old ones from all the other videos, but these ones, and they're so much nicer. And they match. I didn't realize when I took my other ones out, they didn't even match. So let's go ahead and start spraying these down and get them nice and clean and protect them. All right, and once again, you could use this on cars, RVs, boats, all types of stuff. Anything you got vinyl, leather, rubber, or plastic on, to go ahead and help protect it and protect it from the harmful sun's rays, which breaks down all that stuff. And that's what you don't want. So you're gonna spray it on, get a nice even spray. You're gonna wipe off any excess. And get the whole thing here. Get both of them. Yep, and we'll see how it does too, taking out little bits of grime and stuff like that we have on them. All right, then you're going to use a lint-free rag. Oh yeah. And when you wipe it off, you let it air dry, it'll give you a nice high gloss. If you want like a matte type look with your seats and stuff, wipe off the excess, let it dry, and then go ahead and buff it out. So here, let's check this out. Let's see if get this grime out. Nice. All right. Have these seats looking new again. Get the whole thing. Oh yeah, look at that. Look how nice and shiny that is. That looks awesome. They look new again. Oh yeah. Perfect. Let's get this one done. And we got bits of grime and stuff in here. Yep, takes it right up. Oh yeah, look at that, took it right off. There we go. Nice. That looks awesome. Definitely looks brand new again. Make sure to check out our videos on putting the seats in, installing them, boat decking, carbon fiber, rockers. We did a whole trolling motor setup up there, flooring, speakers. Man, this stuff looks awesome. All right. So there you go. Alright, so once again, if you want more of a matte finish, let this dry and then go ahead and buff it out. But I like the gloss. I like a nice sheen to it. That looks good. That looks so good. Alright, so the vinyl protection. Pick yourself some up, thebetterboat.com. And once again, we'd like to thank our friend Anthony for sending us all these new products. They have a lot of other stuff. Make sure to check them out. And once again, as always, we hope you like, enjoy, subscribe. And as usual, we'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo.
Bye, guys.